And this is what a real performance shop looks like. Got the Whipple over here, GT350 R Whipple, ZR1, Sneezer over here. Out here having some tacos or barbecuing. And Jose's over here putting in the work still, installing the over there the Whipple. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right back on that time lapse so you guys can go ahead and enjoy that build. So as you guys are going to see, Jose from V8 Performances over there actually finished up the final touches with Sneezer's help. He's going to go ahead and actually take... up on the video. Okay. So they're actually going to go ahead and take it out for the test drive with the authorization of the owner, of course. We don't just go ahead and jump in any of the cars. We obviously have their authorization to go ahead and take them out for test drives to see, to make sure everything is perfect and cherry. So that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy the test drive. I will go ahead and slap on the GoPro 8 with Sneezer so we can go ahead and record the inside a little bit. Officer. Jose at V8 Performance. And you can follow me at Sneezer 5 Slow. Not bad, brother. Not bad. Like 60 miles an hour. Back at the shop. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the test runs, but we got here some Dutch. We're actually gonna go ahead and go inside. You can go ahead and see how well done the interior is compared to what some of the nicer cars we've been driving. And this thing's beautiful. You got the R right there for on the Recaros, because this is a Shelby GT350 R, if you guys didn't know already, but damn. Alrighty guys, that's where we're gonna go ahead and end it for today's video. Huge shout out to Jose from V8 Performance as always, and check out that Z06 right there. They're actually working on a ZR1, that's the other one over there, right over there. I don't know if you guys can go ahead and see it, But with that being said, really hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and definitely throw a like on this video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. It really helps out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for all the crazy projects that we're coming with.